One of the things I actually like to do is comparing cohorts. So I would cohort the users. Maybe I would here do the cutoff, anything that is above 7 and lower. So I would cohort those users on like less active and very active. And then you can go here into our users. And then you can compare the two cohorts with each other, and that can switch to event comparison. And then you see if one group is doing a lot of things that the other one is not doing. So that would be a behavioral comparison. Let's see what we get actually with 7. Probably it's going to be a bit messy upwards, but we do have here the cohort, like we can call them less engaged. And then actually now we have here a use case where we want to not, where we exclude those. And then we can bring this higher. Let's say it's bucket size 10. And let's increase this further. Just in this chart, we can actually apply them. Typically like to just double check if they check out, like if it makes sense. That does look good. So similar total numbers as we had before. And let's see if the cohorting comparison works. So we can look at the more engaged users. And then by default, we have the active users here. And then we want to compare those to the low engaged users. And we're going to get a couple of things here on the device type here in this case. So these are things more on the user property level. What I find quite interesting typically is to not look at the chart KPIs, but the event distribution. These are things that users that are part of the highly engaged users are doing a lot more of compared to the ones that are less engaged. This is a good place to see what users are doing that the good users, quote unquote, the active users are doing that the other ones are not doing on event level.